In this video, we'll start working inside RStudio and cover the fundamentals of how R works. We'll explore the RStudio interface, understand the difference between scripts and the console, and write our very first R commands. If you're completely new to programming, don't worry. We'll move slowly and build understanding step by step. When you open RStudio, you'll see several panels, each serving a specific purpose. The console located here is where R executes commands and displays output. The script editor is where you write and save your code. This is where most of your work should happen. The environment panel shows objects currently loaded into memory, such as datasets and variables. And the Files, Plots, and Packages panel helps you manage files, visualize results, and install or load additional tools. You don't need to memorize all of this immediately. Familiarity will come naturally with practice. One of the most important habits to develop early is working with scripts. The console is useful for quick commands, but anything important should be written in a script. Scripts allow you to save your work, reproduce your analysis, and understand what you did later. In public health research, reproducibility is essential, and scripts make that possible. Let's write our first R commands. R can act as a calculator. For example, we can type 2 plus 2 and press Control Enter. R immediately returns the result. We can also perform subtraction operations, say 10 minus 3. We can also perform more complex operations, such as multiplication and division. This may seem simple, but it demonstrates an important idea. R evaluates expressions and returns output. In R, we store values using variables. Assignment is done using the arrow operator. For example, we can assign a value to a variable and give it a meaningful name. Once a value is assigned, we can reuse it throughout our analysis. Notice that after assignment, the variable appears in the environment panel. This tells us that R is storing the object in memory. Let's talk a little bit about comments. Comments are basically used to explain your code. In R, comments start with the hash symbol, followed by the name or title you would like to give to the comment. R ignores comments when running code, but they are extremely helpful for documentation. Do not forget writing clear comments is a best practice, especially in collaborative public health work. As you begin working with R, a few common mistakes are normal. Forgetting to run code from the script, misspelling variable names, or expecting R to guess what you mean. Nevertheless, errors are part of the learning process. They are not a sign that you're doing something wrong. In the next video, we'll explore data types and data structures in R, including vectors and data frames. These concepts are essential for working with real public health datasets. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to follow the series step by step. I'll see you in the next lesson.